Chunni and Munni went out to play in the garden on a sunny day. They found a carrot tall and bright. Yum, yum, they shouted with delight. Spinach leaves and broccoli trees dancing gently in the breeze. Tomato red and pumpkin round hiding softly in the ground. Catchy, munchy, munchy, Chunni said,
veggies help us grow ahead.
and Munni giggle,
Let's eat more.
yum yum veggies we adore. Peas and pods and beans so green, healthiest snacks you've ever seen. One by one they filled their plate. Eating veggies feels so great. So come along and sing this song. Eat your veggies all day long. Chunni Munni say to you, yum yum, veggies keep you new. Spinach leaves and broccoli trees dancing gently in the breeze. Tomato red and pumpkin round hiding softly in the ground. Crunchy munchy, crunchy munchy,
Chunni said,
veggies help us grow ahead. Munni giggle,
let's eat more.
yum yum veggies we adore. Peas and pods and beans so green, healthiest snacks you've ever seen. One by one they filled their plate. Eating veggies feels so great. So come along and sing this song. Eat your veggies all day long. Chunni Munni say to you, yum yum, veggies keep you new. Peas and pods and beans so green, healthiest snacks you've ever seen. One by one they filled their plate. Eating veggies feels so great. So come along and sing this song. Eat your veggies all day long. Chunni Munni say to you, yum yum veggies keep you new.